Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the base and measuring cup on your Thermomix TM31. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Let's get started. 1. Safety first. Before you begin, unplug your Thermomix TM31 from the power supply to ensure your safety during the repair. 2. Accessing the base. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws located on the bottom of the Thermomix. Place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base cover. Be cautious as you may find some internal components exposed. 3. Inspecting the components. Take this opportunity to inspect the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, consider reaching out for a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is functioning properly. 4. Cleaning the interior. Use the microfiber cloth to clean the interior of the machine. This is crucial as it helps maintain the appliance's performance and longevity. Make sure to remove any dust or debris from the circuit board and other components. 5. Replacing the base. Now that the interior is clean, take your new base and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently but firmly to ensure a secure fit. 6. Installing the measuring cup. Next, take the new measuring cup and align it with the opening on the top of the Thermomix. Gently press down until you hear a click, indicating it is secured in place. 7. Final checks. Before reassembling everything, double-check that all components are properly installed and secured. If you're unsure, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free service. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your doorstep. 8. Reassembling the unit. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, reattach the base cover. Ensure it fits snugly and then replace the screws to secure it. 9. Testing the appliance. Plug your Thermomix back in and test its functionality. Make sure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. 10. Conclusion. Your Thermomix TM31 is now ready to use with its new base and measuring cup. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance, ensuring it continues to serve you well in the kitchen. Thank you for following along, and happy cooking! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.